Before we begin, make sure you are wearing the right safety gear for the site you are working on and tools you are using. You will need a measuring tape, an A&L angle keyring, a second pair of hands depending on the size and weight of the product. To begin, measure the gap to determine if A&L standard angles are suitable for coverage. Measure the length or width of the product between the brickwork. On this particular product, a 20 by 12 A1 is required at 2688mm long in the colour Surf Mist. Below is a table provided with A&L standard size angles, which is available in our standard colours.